In the BMW Z4 E89, i.e. models built from 2013 onwards, it can happen that no water comes out of the windshield washer system. There are three possible causes. First, clogged nozzles. Second, blown fuse. Third, the pump is defective. It is not easy to tell whether the nozzles are clogged. So I look for the easiest solution. Check the fuse. Only when I am sure that the fuses are still intact do I start working on the windshield wiper pump. You can check whether the pump is still working by listening to it. Important, the ignition must be on at least. If you cannot hear the pump when you activate it, then it is probably defective. In this case, you can try replacing the windshield wiper pump. The pump is located directly on the windshield washer reservoir. First, disconnect the plug. At the bottom of the pump is the water pipe, which can be easily detached from the reservoir. Caution: water will flow out when you disconnect it. Therefore, you should place a container underneath. Only when the reservoir is empty can you simply pull out the pump. You do not have to buy original BMW parts, but you do need the original part number. The non-original parts look identical. Since it is not a safety-critical part, you can safely use a non-original part. Next, you should subscribe to this channel because it will save you a lot of time and money. A lot of time and money. Please also press the bell icon. And a thumbs up would also be nice, as that's what motivates me to help you. Thank you. When installing, you have to reconnect the water pipe to the pump. Then plug in the pump and connect the plug. It's that simple. Then turn on the ignition and water should spray out of the nozzles again. You should also be able to hear the pump again. However, if you can hear the pump but no water is spraying out of the nozzles, then the water pipes are clogged. I hope this tutorial or repair guide has been helpful. Please comment below if anything is still unclear. Thank you for watching. See you soon.